Larry Story began teaching history at TCC in 1967. And today, after nearly 6 decades of service, he will deliver his final lecture.
I told the board yesterday I feel somewhat guilty for all this notoriety when I was just doing what I like to do.
The state of Texas provides you with a certificate of recognition presented to Larry Story on retiring as Tarrant County College's longest-serving professor after 58 years of dedicated service.
And I remember how excited everyone was and how there seemed to be no limits to what we could do.
Thank you for your extraordinary service, your dedication, and your lasting impact on this college.